Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, Doctor of Physical Therapy at Rehab and Revive. How hard is it to scratch your own back? You may have lost that ability over time because of a forward shoulder issue. You'll have to combat it with this easy stretch I found helpful. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring online exercise programs to you. You can find the link to our Revive at Home programs in the descriptions box below. We appreciate your support. Scratching your back requires you to have a stable but mobile axis within the shoulder socket. Oftentimes, when the shoulder drifts forward or due to tight pecs pulling your shoulder forward, it's technically off axis and impacts the mobility to rotate purely. So think of it more of like a wrecking ball scenario, and all around the chest and shoulders gets impacted. In a perfect world, the ball and socket rotate purely in the middle and spin correctly. So let's go get it back. So we're back and we wanna scratch your back, right? So what you're gonna need is that action. So a lot of times if you kind of see here, and there's a great pec stretch exercise, we'll link that. We did something similar. So you kind of get here, you turn away, and then you go up if you want to get that tightness, and you rotate more, a little bit more explanation. But this particular one is different. You basically go this way, you put this kind of in your back pocket here, use the door frame from that shoulder and elbow, try to glue it. So I'm trying to glue this part, and then what I want to do is just walk away, right? So if I were to kind of use this frame, let's just do this here. I want to use this frame. I want to walk away from it like this, right? And then a lot of you, what needs to happen here is you just keep working that without letting this come forward. So you want to go up, let this, so you want to block it. That's basically what it is. So we're gonna go here, and I don't have that much of an issue these days, but I'm sliding, as I'm talking to you, I'm sliding that up here. My starting place was here. So doing that, it might cramp, that's normal, just kind of work through it. And you're just kind of using that action, that kind of like this action here in the back, and you're rotating away. So step one, get this position. Step two, rotate away, then get the arms moving up. And you're just trying to get it higher and higher, and block with this hand, step four. So there's that. And let's see. Yeah, so, in that perfect world, it just looks like that, and it's not rolling forward. I'm exaggerating, but in a perfect world, it's just staying pat, and then you can do that, right? This is my surgical shoulder that I injured. So you want to keep improving that for health. Pictures, that's also a great thing, but definitely if you want to scratch your back. So thanks for tuning in. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.